Presenting the Samsung 32 inches Wondertainment series HD Ready LED Smart TV in Titan Grey color. With HD Ready resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, this television provides a balance of color, contrast and clarity for improved picture quality. This Samsung TV has a slim design and comes with an LED panel. With Ultra Clean View feature, the television delivers high-quality images with less distortion. The television also comes with PurColor and contrast enhancer features that improves the color and the contrast for an immersive viewing experience. With HDR levels, the television also offers an immense spectrum of colors and visual details even in dark scenes. It comes with a maximum viewing distance of 7 feet. The Samsung LED Smart TV comes with multiple voice assistants for voice-enabled search. The television lets you seamlessly stream your smartphone content or computer display directly onto your TV screen. It also allows you to live cast from anywhere directly to your TV screen. Home Cloud lets you save your files to the TV wirelessly and automatically. The Samsung TV comes with one remote to control your set-top box, gaming consoles, apps and even live TV. It also comes with a game enhancer feature that lets you play games on the big screen with high-quality graphics. The TV has 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port. It features a 20-watt output speaker with Dolby Digital Plus for an immersive audio experience. This Samsung LED TV comes with tabletop stand, user manual, warranty card and remote control. The TV comes with standard brand warranty.